Guys, what do you think where I am from?
I would say India.
India?
Pakistan.
Maybe Cambodia or something.
Cambodia? Oh.
Laos.
Like, what do you think? Which one is the Pakistani flag?
This one.
This one?
Yeah, sure. 100%.
I think it's this one, right? The A one?
Either A and C.
Yeah, C.
Oh, C.
So, yeah,
C.
C, I
C?
guess. C, yeah.
Really, guys? Last chance. Come
Oh,
on.
like A.
A? Yeah, sorry, wrong.
No, okay.
There.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
Zayn.
Handsome people.
Zayn Malik.
Zayn
Malik.
Oh!
There's one really handsome guy who's acting in Bollywood movies.
Fawad Khan.
Yes, Fawad.
Fawad
Yes,
Khan.
yes, I think of Fawad Khan.
Eat biryani and I know it's good from Pakistan.
Very smart people.
And handsome too, right? ये माजिद है, ये मेरे फ्रेंच दोस्त हैं और यहाँ पे पारी हो रही है. Hi everyone, this is Majid and today we are again right now in Hongdae. Today we're gonna go and ask foreigners again very important question. What do you think which one is the right Pakistani flag? So let's go and let's ask foreigners. Hi, would you like to introduce yourself, like your name and where you are from?
Hi, my name is Kelly and I'm from Virginia in the United States.
I'm Maddie and I'm also from Virginia.
I'm Majid. I'm from France.
May from France.
And I'm Fanny and I'm from France as well.
Sunny.
Funny.
Funny.
Yeah.
Like funny laughing?
No, like with an A.
Hey, funny. Okay, fine.
Hi, I'm Melissa. I'm from South Africa.
I'm Denise from South Africa.
Hi, I'm Nikhil and I'm also from South Africa.
I'm Sylvie. I'm 20 and I'm from France.
So I'm Monya. I'm also 20 years old and also from France.
You guys are so young. I feel so old right now.
Yeah.
Guys, what do you think where I am from?
India, Pakistan,
India, Pakistan?
Pakistan,
Yeah.
maybe.
I think the same.
What, India?
India or Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yeah.
What's that?
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
Pakistan.
You don't know
It's
the country?
just next to India.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Pakistan.
आपके लिए बहुत सारी तालियां.
So guys, what do you think where I'm from?
I would say maybe India.
India?
India?
Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe?
From Nepal.
Pakistan.
No, Pakistan.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज हो रहा.
I would say India.
India?
Pakistan.
How come you know? Yeah. Okay, you know what? Like I have done tons and tons of interviews on my videos. That's the first time someone said Pakistan right away.
Oh, really?
So, what do you think where I'm from?
I don't know. India, maybe?
Pakistan?
Pakistan. Where is it? Pakistan.
In front of India.
And you're saying India?
Yeah.
No, Pakistan.
मस्ती कर रहे हैं.
I would say India because, or I don't know.
I don't know, maybe Cambodia or something.
Cambodia? Oh.
Laos.
No! Actually, no. I'm not from Laos or Cambodia. I was just kidding. I'm very close to India, actually. So,
Pakistan.
awesome, guys. Devak.
I'll be honest with you, I couldn't tell you, but I would probably say Pakistan.
I mean, I've seen your account.
Okay, so you have seen you on TikTok. So, let's see.
Pakistan.
Guys, awesome. Devak. So, I'm gonna ask you one simple question. Like, what do you think? Which one is the Pakistani flag? Do you know any flag here?
No. Do you? No.
No.
Music.
Very smart people we have for this interview. So let's see how smart you guys are. Oh.
Shit.
Okay. What do you think? Which one is the Pakistani flag?
This one.
This one?
Yeah, sure. 100%.
Don't trust your friend. trust yourself.
I don't know between
This one or this one.
This one or D? Maddie! What do you think? Which one is the Pakistani flag?
Dear Lord.
I'm gonna look dumb.
Is it C?
Yeah, I would say C.
C?
Yeah.
Not B?
B.
I'm gonna take two wrong answers out. So it's gonna be either A or C.
Oh my. I'm gonna say C.
C?
Yeah.
I would say C.
Don't trust your friends. Kelly, no.
Why not? I don't know if I should trust you.
You go with one, I'll go with the other. One of us will get it right.
Okay, then I'll go with A.
You know, sometimes you have to trust your friends.
Yeah.
Maddie was right.
I got it right the first.
दिल रो रहा है मेरा ये मेरा पाकिस्तान है
I think it's this one, right? The A one?
Isn't it? I don't know. Don't always trust your friends. Trust your instincts.
My instincts are from A, but I have no idea.
A?
Yeah, A.
A?
Yeah.
Really, you don't need to trust your friends. Trust your instincts.
No, really A. Yeah.
Guys, yeah, you guys are so smart, but unfortunately, no, it's not A. What do you think? Which one is the Pakistani flag?
Pakistan, I think it's C.
C?
C? Yes.
Not D?
Oh, C or D, one of the two.
How about you?
I think it's C as well.
C?
Yeah.
Don't trust your friend. No.
It's like that should be all dark green. That's the wrong green.
How about now? This is all dark green.
I still think C.
Still C?
Yeah.
Nikki.
Definitely
Nikki,
C.
bro, yeah.
definitely
C. Wow, you guys know about Pakistan a lot. Okay, let me give you a hint.
Yeah.
A no, B no, so either C or D.
I know that it's like green and white, and I'm pretty sure this is 100% is this one.
Green and white?
Yeah, because I had a project on it. I know this. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, finally, yeah. So you did it. Okay, let me give you a hint. So I will take two wrong options like out. So C and D are out. So either A and C.
Yeah, C.
Oh, C.
So, yeah,
C.
C, I
C?
guess. C, yeah.
Really, guys? Last chance. Come
Oh,
on.
like A.
A?
Like go for A. Like
I'm
different.
C.
C?
Yeah.
Different. Alright. Am I not
Yeah, sorry, wrong.
No. Okay.
They are.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया जज्बात बदल दिए जिंदगी बदल दी
Which one is it?
I mean, okay, let me give you like 50-50. So it's gonna be either B or C.
C.
B or C.
B.
May.
B.
B?
B. And I'm saying C.
C?
Yeah.
You sure you don't wanna trust your friend?
Okay.
And my, sorry to say, but yeah, Funny was right. It's C. By the way, guys, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan? The first thing.
I don't know.
Zayn,
Handsome people.
Zayn Malik.
Zayn
Malik.
Oh! Wow, yeah. So handsome guys. Yeah. Correct answer.
Pakistan, I think about, I think it's
Handsome
19
guys.
handsome guys. Yes, there's one really handsome guy who's acting in Bollywood movies. I can't remember his name.
Fawad Khan.
Yes, Fawad.
Fawad
Yes,
Khan.
I think of Fawad Khan.
Khan is popular in South Africa
And
too.
cricket as well.
I was gonna say cricket.
Cricket. Oh.
Yeah, like I'm getting confused because cricket India and Pakistan are really good
Really, yeah, they're
teams.
rivals,
So like I can't remember, where's Sachin Tendulkar from?
Sachin Tendulkar from India.
Sorry.
Biryani. Biryani.
Biryani. Amazing guys. Wow.
I love to eat biryani and I know it's good from Pakistan.
What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
So I major in like politics, so I think of like the politics between like Pakistan and India
India.
and stuff like.
Very smart people.
And handsome too, right?
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूँ लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया
What is the first thing now that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan? Handsome guys? Yes?
Yeah, sure, handsome guy.
Or something else? Okay.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe you, because
चास आ गई कि नहीं
Okay, me? Okay, that's a good thing. Like, I introduced you to Pakistan. How about you?
Probably, I guess, I don't know. Probably Bollywood movies, I guess.
Have you tried Pakistani food?
Yes, Yes, there's a lot of people from Pakistan who live in South Africa.
Oh,
And
there are many people who live in South
yeah,
Africa.
there are a lot. So they have a lot of Pakistani restaurants.
Wow.
Yeah, so I used to
tikka.
chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka.
yeah.
What else?
Chicken tikka, biryani, sheikh kebab.
Oh, wow.
We from the city of Durban in South Africa.
Durban.
So Durban is actually popular for the Pakistani people that come live there.
Yeah, a lot of
And there's a famous road called Brickfield Road, and you can find lots of Indian and Pakistani food.
Wow, I really
Yeah.
want to go to their Pakistan thing.
Probably heat for me. Heat,
Heat,
like the
you
weather.
said, the weather is
Yeah.
hot. Uh-huh.
That's
Handsome
what I think
boys.
of. Handsome
Sure.
boys, yeah.
Totally.
Have you tried Pakistani food?
I'm not sure actually.
Indian food?
Yes, yeah.
I never.
You do?
Yes.
How was it spicy?
Sometimes spicy, but I don't have a very high like tolerance for spicy food.
yeah.
Yeah.
मेरे चैनल को
Subscribe
करो। ये माजिद है, ये मेरे फ्रेंच दोस्त हैं और यहाँ पे पारी हो रही है। Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you, mercy, thanks. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। Okay guys, I'm sure you enjoyed the video, and honestly it was such a great day, and seeing a lot of people know about Pakistan, that was so it made me so happy. Anyways guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much guys, love you and bye bye.